Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to brief you about sales quotation in Odoo. So let's start. Coming to the sales application in Odoo, I'll create a new quotation with my existing customer named as Freddy. I'll add some products. Now let us select the quantities of each and every product. With their prices. So if I need to add a new product, I'll just click on add a product and then carry on adding with the new products. And suppose I need to add a section. Suppose this chair, pencil, and yeah, so chair, pencil, let us say it comes under accessories. And then I'll add just another section for lamp and bulbs, that is let's say electronics. So I'll just drag and drop. So as we can see, I'm just sorting it out. So yeah, it's been sorted out. And now suppose if I need to add a note, let's say thank you. So I can just add the note too. And then I'll save it. So once it has been saved, as we can see, the status is in the quotation because I haven't confirmed my quotation yet. But once I click on confirm, we can see the status has been changed to sales order. So it has been changed, and now let us print it, quotation order. So Odoo will generate a PDF for me, and I can just go ahead and preview my PDF. So this is the PDF which has been generated, and it looks so good. All the accessories, electronics, the notes, thank you has been sorted out, and it is looking very nice. And yeah, so let's just cross it out. So this is how we create a sales quotation. As we can see in the chatter, the quotation is confirmed and the status has been changed to sales order. Thank you.